Jalandhar Bandha can be done with Antar Kumbhak and Bahir Kumbhak. You can do with inhalation and hold the breath inside, or exhalation, remove the breath, empty the body. Namaste. Welcome to the YouTube channel Prashant Yoga. This is Prashant here. Today video, this is the second video of Jalandhar Bandha. The previous video, those who didn't watch the previous video, I would request you to go to the description, check the previous video, the preparation for Jalandhar Bandha, where I explained about the position of the body. And today's video we will cover the breath and the proper work of Jalandhar Bandha, how you can do. But before we start the practice, those who are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, because here in this platform you will learn detailed, traditional, ancient practices with details, explanation. Let's begin the practice. So, the previous video we learned that how to keep the body straight, how arms will be, okay, how the neck will be, the movement you learned in the previous video. Again, I am requesting those who are new, coming first time in this video, go to the previous video and learn properly. Now, the breath. Jalandhar Bandha can be done with Antar Kumbhak and Bahir Kumbhak. You can do with inhalation and hold the breath inside, or exhalation, remove the breath, empty the body. Today practice we will do Antar Kumbhak Jalandhar Bandha. Because Antar Kumbhak we are holding the prana inside, and we are trying, why we do Jalandhar Bandha? When we hold the breath, we are trying to push the prana from upper throat to the down. Because the nature of prana is what? To uplift, go from the Mooladhara and goes upward direction. But Jalandhar Bandha is a practice which brings the prana into reverse direction, from the upper to down. And that's the reason this practice is about. This practice is about all this movement, reverse movement of prana. So when we inhale, last time in the last video I told you that when you inhale, lift the chin like this up, inhale like this. And when you hold the breath inside, you will hold the breath here, chest area and the belly area. So when you hold the breath inside, you will not contract any muscles, you will not contract anything. You will just hold, and all the way chin will go in a step. One back, second down, and then third, shoulder will go up and chin will go down like this. So this is a movement. So let's get ready. Practice with me so you will understand. I will give instructions to you so you can follow me during the practice. So come to the any position, Padmasana or Sukhasana, hands on the knees, eyes are closed, everyone. First, lift the chin, take one deep inhale, fill the body with the breath. Now, first step, chin back. Second step, chin down. Third step, shoulder up, arms straight. Fourth step, lean forward, press the knee and straight spine. As you can feel that the breath is already inside, you are holding the breath into the body and press the chin again.
Relax and stay as long as you can. Press the chin against the chest, create the pressure inside the body.
Come back to center, lift the chin, exhale.
Now get ready for the second round. First you relax your whole body, normalize your breath, and now you start inhaling, lifting chin, inhale deeper, fill the body with breath, with inhalation. Tuck your chin in, second step chin down, third step shoulder up, and fourth step press the knee, lean forward and press the chin against the collarbone. Minimum 25 seconds, hold the breath. Hold the prana inside the body. Stay quiet. Now once you feel you cannot stay longer than this, Now you will relax the shoulder, lift the chin, and exhale completely. Next round. Inhale deeper, chin down, shoulders up, lean forward, press the knee, extend the whole spine. Hold the breath inside and create the pressure inside the body. Hold as long as you can. Now once you complete, you will relax the shoulder, lift the chin first, then only exhale.
And relax your whole body. Observe your whole body from head to toes and observe the breath, how the breath became calm and relaxed. Gently open your eyes. So that was the practice of Jalandhar Bandha. Just I'm concluding all the instruction that I gave you. So what we did first, we were relaxing hands on the knees. First step, we lift the chin like this. Second step, we take inhalation. We hold the breath inside. Then next step, we tuck the chin in, then drop, then lift the shoulder, and then touch and press the chin against the chest, and we hold it there with closed eyes. Minimum 30 seconds I will request you to hold. And when you release after 30 seconds, then first bring your shoulders down, go back, lift the chin slowly, and then exhale. Then from there only inhale, second part, tuck, down, all the way lift, press and lean forward. After 30 seconds, relax, come back, chin up, exhale. This is the movement. What happens when you do this? You press this area. So thyroid gland will function very well, and thyroid gland is very important for physical growth, even the mental growth. Try this practice. Write me in a comment if you have any question. If you don't understand something, I will try to make a video for that. But practice at least 5 times and rapidly means after one another, and after 5 rounds when you finish, stay 2 minutes just silence, and that's how you will do. When to do this practice? Early morning, empty stomach, you can do this practice. You can do this practice after pranayama or even after asana practice. Just 5 rounds. This will help you to store the prana more. This will help you to regulate the udana vayu. So who has the problem or issues or sickness, upper this area sickness, anything which you have here, it can be cured by this mudra, this bandhas, and that's how you will take care of yourself. I hope you like this video. If you like, just share this so that everyone can learn. Press the bell icon in notification you can get every day, and if you are new again, subscribe the channel. I'll see you in next video. Namaste, stay safe.